Welcome students. I am Deivarani, your GK teacher. Today we learn about the sports. First, we identify the some sports and learn about some Indian sports stars player. It is the national sport of India. It is also played all over the country. It is played with a curved stick. It had 11 players in each team and the match duration was 75 minutes. Guess what game is this? This game is hockey. Who is this? Manpreet Singh. He is an Indian field hockey player and the captain of India men's national field hockey team since May 2017. He represented India at the 2012 Summer Olympics and was named in the Indian squad for the 2016 Summer Olympics. He heads Arjuna Award for hockey. It is a famous outdoor game. It is a very popular sport in India. It requires a bat, ball and stump. It is the national game of England. Guess what game is this? Cricket. Who is this? Virat Kohli. He is an Indian cricket and current captain of the India national team. A right-handed top-order batsman. He gets Padma Shri, Wisden Cricketers of the Year, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and more awards. This game was played between two players. The task is similar to that of badminton. The one who misses the lead number of ball win. Guess what game is this? Tennis. Who is this? Sania Misra. One of the best player and Indian professional tennis player. She was ranked by the Women's Tennis Association as India's number one player. She gets Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and more awards. It is a very easy and interesting game which is played with the help of cock and racket. At least 2 and maximum 4 people can play this game. Guess what game is this? Badminton. Who is this? Saina Nehwal. She is an Indian professional badminton single player. She has represented India 3 times in the Olympics, winning a bronze medal in her second appearance. She got Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and more awards. It is the most exciting and popular game of the world. It is the outdoor game. This game name is gets its from the combination of two words foot and ball, where the players run and kick the ball with their feet. Guess what game is this? Football. Who is this? Sunil Shetty. He is an Indian professional footballer who plays as an striker or winger and captains both the Indian national football team. He is both the most capped player and all-time top goal scorer for the Indian national team. It is a famous sport in the Olympics. It is also called street ball. Two teams of 5 players each try to score by shooting a ball. The game is played on a rectangular floor called the court. Guess what game is this? Basketball. Who is this? Shatnam Singh Bamara. He was the first Indian born player to be drafted into the NBA in 2015. He is undoubtedly the most heard name in India when it comes to basketball. He currently plays for the St. John Edge in NPL of Canada. It is a sport in which two people fight with their fist. This competition is called a match fight or a bout. One person can win by knocking out the other boxer. Guess what game is this? Boxing. Who is this? MC Mary Kom. She is an Indian amateur boxer, politician and incumbent member of parliament and Rajya Sabha. She is the only female to become world amateur boxing champion for a record 6 times. She had also been ranked as the world's #1 female light flyweight by the International Boxing Association. It is a competition in which two people try to pin the other person to the ground during matches. Competitors use throws, takedowns, and trips to get their opponents down to the ground. Guess what game is this? Wrestling. Who is this? Sushil Kumar. He is an Indian freestyle wrestler. He was competing in the 66 kg weight division when he won the 2010 world title, a silver medal at the 2012 London Olympics and a bronze medal at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. He had Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award and more awards. This is a game played in an open field where the player places his ball into a hole by using different types of clubs. In India, it is a growing sport. Guess what game is this? Golf. Who is this? Sir Milkha Singh. He is a Indian professional player. After winning the 2008 Australian Open, Singh won 3 titles on the European Tour, 4 on the Japan Tour, and 6 on the Asian Tour. We should use helmet, knee protector during this game. The machine used in this game is called skate shoe. This machine consists of small rollers due to which we move forward. Guess what game is this? Skating. Who is this? Dhanush Babu. He is an Indian speed skater Most recently, Babu represented India in the 2019 World Roller Games held in Spain from 4 to 14 July 2019. He was the first Indian to secure an international roller skating medal for India in 2016 at the Asian Speed Skating Championship. Thank you, students.